Hi, welcome to the International Astronomical Search Collaboration Asteroid Hunt Campaign. My name is Edusa. I'm the team leader of one of the teams that is participating in the Asteroid Hunt Campaign. Today we are going to learn first how to register yourself as an individual or a team to, for the IASC Asteroid Hunt campaigns, and two, about the prerequisites that you must have before you download and install the Astrometrica software, which you will be using to analyze the image set. So let us begin. First, how to register yourself or your team for the IASC Asteroid Hunt campaign. In order to do that, you have to go to the official website of IASC, which is iasc.cosmosearch.org. Once you're on their home page, scroll down and click on register. You will be directed to the registration page. Once you're on the registration page, just scroll down and click on register for a campaign. A PDF will be provided to you. All you have to do is fill in your team name, your country, and the team member name along with their emails. After filling in the form, you have to email this form to the IASC coordinator, Ms. Cassie Davis, at iascsearch@cisco.edu. Once you've sent in this PDF, you will get a confirmation that saying that your team has been registered for the campaign, and you will be notified accordingly. Once you're registered, you will start receiving email about the commencement of the campaign, about the availability or dispatchment of the image sets to your team, and when the campaign is about to end and when all the submissions are supposed to be completed. And last but not the least, when certificates for participation will be dispatched. So this is how you register your team and what to expect once your team is registered from the IASC coordinators. Now we will see what are the prerequisites you must have in order to download and install the Astrometrica software that you will be using for analyzing the image sets. The prerequisites are: you need to have a Windows OS. It could be 32 bits or 64 bits, either is fine. And you need to have fast internet connection. That's it. These are the two prerequisites that you must have on your desktop or laptop in order to download and install and run the Astrometrica software. So this concludes our session of how to register yourself or your team for the asteroid hunt campaigns and what are the prerequisites before you download and install the Astrometrica software.